Today I'm going to show you how to make animated transparent title. Go to video, open new video project. We are going to use this video. Set video as a background. Add page. Go to elements, shapes, and resize this shape. Change the color to black. Add new text and type your text. Change the font to Anton. Download it as PNG and increase the size. Upload it again. Edit image and remove the background. Resize it to fill all the page. And go to animate, create an animation, and hold shift in the keyboard and drag it from the right to the left. And click on steady to be stable. Remove this page. Click in the text and decrease the transparency to 70%. Go to text and add new text. Change the font to Anton and change the color to white. Make a shadow. Go to animate and animate with spread in. And here's the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.